Hey guys, it's Ren and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I just wanted to stop by to recap the trades from last week. This is the week of the 24th of August. So I am not going to be doing individual trades one by one anymore because I feel like there's not enough context when I do it like that. So I decided that I'm just going to be doing weekly recaps, monthly recaps, and also maybe short videos on over a weekend just to go through what we're looking at for the current week coming. All right, these are the four trades that we had this week. So let me just go over what we're looking at coming into the week. All right, so this is Sunday open here. So at that point, price had given us a change of character up here, right? So we have change of character. This would have been the first leg of an unconfirmed uptrend. All right, so we were looking for buys and the trading range was 160 pips because this was the lowest that price went before it created this leg that broke structure. All right, so coming into the week, we were looking for buys, and this was Tuesday. On Tuesday, I got two trades. Both of them were wins, but they were smaller wins because I have a condition built into the EA that says when price reaches 25 pips in profit, move my stop loss 15 pips into profit. So both of these trades ended up closing out at 15 pips into profit because price reached exactly 25 pips into profit here and then it reversed all the way down. So this one, that condition really helped me to secure some profits. All right, in this instance, it did not help that well because where you're seeing this red circle, price gave that pullback and it stopped me out at 15 pips in profit before it went on to hit the target of 30 pips in profit. And now we come to Wednesday. Wednesday, I don't know what happened, why this price action is behaving this way. But on Wednesday, we had another change of character. So this was the low that was holding the uptrend in place. And of course, price broke below and closed below. So that was another change of character. So if I just go back, you would see the nonsense that price has been doing. All right, we had a change of character here. Then we went up, had a change of character here. And then we came back down, had another change of character here. And so in all of this, I was wondering if I'm even if I have to find a new way of defining a legitimate change of character, because that is not, I don't know. I just, the price action itself, yes, I know price was consolidating, but it was just a lot at the moment to take in. We haven't had a second break of structure to confirm any trend in either direction for the past 2 weeks. It's just been change of character, change of character, change of character, change of character. So yeah, that's just what it was. And then on Friday, I had two trades because of this change of character, we were now looking for opportunities to sell, and the price, of course, push all the way back up because it's just now the other way of looking at it is price taking out lows, taking out liquidity, and reversing. All right, but that is not the way that I am looking at it at the moment. Right now, I'm looking at it in terms of market structure and developing a trend following system. All right, I'm not looking at a reversal system as yet. So this is what happened. I was looking for opportunity to sell, and both trades were a loss. Okay, and we had this big pullback. And this is where September began, so I will do a separate video on September. All right, these are the results in my MT5 here. It was these two small wins at the beginning of the week on the Tuesday, and then these two losses on the Friday. Let me just pull up my spreadsheet for you guys. So this is last week's trades. These last four here are last week's trades. All right, and so this is it was a net minus $3, right? Minus $3. So these last trades, and this is my weekly growth tracker. So this is what last week looked like. Okay, and this spreadsheet is available on my Patreon for free members. So if you're interested in keeping up to date with all of my testing data, head over to my Patreon and you will have access to this spreadsheet. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.